I am going to come back with a bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to meet you once again. Yeah, you notice that the energy is different, isn't it? Ha! It's been a while. I am so glad for your reviews. I am so thankful. Thank you so much for your reviews. You made me understand that, see, just me, you can do better. You can do this better. And then thank you so much for giving me the reviews. God bless you. As you all know, my name is TJ Sunimi Olakojo, aka Queen Edisa. So make sure you subscribe before I go ahead. And today, I am going to talk about skincare. I know somebody's excited. I know. I am also excited to be talking about introduction to skincare today. It's been such a long journey, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for your loyalty. I give kudos to everyone that has supported me in one way or the other. So let's get down to business. What is skincare? I want to be as free as possible, please. No pressures. Ha! Okay, so what is skincare? Skincare, I don't have a definition. When I say I don't have a definition, I don't have a Google definition or a dictionary definition. I'm just going to say it as it is. Skincare is the art or an act of taking care of your skin. You get that? Taking care of your skin, because your skin has to pop. It has to glow. Like I'm glowing, The reason I have been delaying this introduction to skincare is because lately I've been having a very dry skin, and then all of a sudden I've been having acne, pimples, and all of these stuffs. And I'm like, gosh, I need to, take care of my skin before, I appear. But I just found out that in life, nothing is so perfect. Sometimes you go through ups and downs, and that is just how our skin is. So sometimes our skin fails us in cold, but you know what? Just keep being persistent about your skincare routine, which I'm gonna talk about, briefly today. And yeah, let me hit the nail on the head. So the art of taking care of your skin. So our skin is made up of two layers. If you're a science student, you will know that our skin is made up of the epidermal and the dermal layer. And it's so important because to understand, because that our skin is scientific. Skin is one of the organs, one of the five senses in the body. You understand? And it is what we wear. Our skin is what we wear, and it is what represents us. Because people want to see you. Because the thing is, makeup. I'm a makeup artist, so I'm going to talk about makeup. So stay tuned for that too. Yes, and this makeup, trust me. I didn't want to do makeup today. I didn't want to, because I am a makeup artist. I don't know. I just don't like doing makeup on my face. But I just had to do, like, for example, now this brows, I didn't highlight it. I just pop. I just did something because I'm so eager to talk to you guys. I've missed you guys, and I thank you so much for the review. So let me continue. Our skin is made up of the epidermal and the dermal layer, and you have to know, because the upper part of the skin, which is the epidermal layer, renews itself every 28 days. So that is why it is so important to scrub. I am going to get there. So introduction to skincare. First things first. Exfoliate your skin, guys. Exfoliate. I cannot emphasize it enough. Whether you're dark skin, whether you're light skin, whether you're caramel, whether you're hot chocolate, whether you're ebony, anyone, you need to what? Exfoliate your skin. It is so important. You understand? And that is through the use of a sugar scrub. I do not really advise a salt scrub, especially for older people, that are above 50. If you go back to see my first video on how to make your scrub is there. I'm going to leave the link down below. In the first video I did about how to make your scrub, I talked about you not using salt as a scrub, especially for people at the age of 40 and above, because they need to reduce their salt intake because of blood pressure. So guys, note that sugar scrub is very important for your skin. So exfoliation cannot be overemphasized. Number one. Number two, your face is what represents you. Your face. Yeah, do not concentrate too much on your face at the expense of your body, but your face is very important because your face is your identity and the skin on your face is very, very important. So how do you balance the skin on your face and the skin of your body? I'm going to talk about that in other videos. So let me go ahead to how to take care of your face first. So one thing that I do is I use a separate towel for my face. I use a separate towel for my face. I do not use a towel for my body or my face. It is wrong. Please don't do it. If you've been doing it before, stop doing it, okay? Secondly, you use a cleanser on your face. Everybody needs cleanser, whether you have pimples or not. That is it. You don't have to have pimples to use cleanser because we have pores, our pores, okay. There's so much to say. Let me just break it down little by little. Okay, so we have different types of skin. We have the dry skin, we have the normal skin, we have the oily skin, we have the combination skin, and we have the tough skin. Yes, we have the tough skin. Like mine. Mine is a combination of normal and tough. Yeah, because your skin can be two types. Don't ever be fooled that you think your skin is just normal or dry completely. No, depending on where you go, depending on your environment, depending on what you eat, which is very important. I'm going to talk about that too in later videos. What you can eat to boost your skin glow. Okay. I like to play a lot and I'm enjoying myself doing this. So, let's talk about dry skin now. Dry skin. Dry skin is that skin. If you have a dry skin, it's scaly. You know what I'm saying? It's like very dry. Even when you moisturize, it's just it's not slumptious. That's dry skin, and you have to do moisturizing. Cannot be overemphasized on that. Normal skin is just normal. Oh my God! If you have a normal skin, you're blessed, just like me. It's just normal. It's not too dry. It's not too oily. And then, of course, combination skin is the combination, like the name implies, combination of oily and what? Oily. And when you have a combination skin, you have something here on your T-zone. It just produces oil. And then your oil is usually oily, or it does that's a combination skin. But don't worry, I'm going to just stick with me on this channel. I am going to save you from a lot of mess that I've been in the past. Gosh. Good. What have I not talked about? I've talked about dry skin, I've talked about normal skin. Oily skin, you don't even need moisturizer. Sometimes, everybody needs to moisturize, but sometimes you just feel like, oh my God, like my skin is like, without even rubbing it with oil, it's just nice and everything. But it doesn't mean you don't need moisturizer. Like, don't quote me, you need a moisturizer too, even if you have oily skin. So there are different types of moisturizers that are not oil based. If you have an oily skin. Yeah, forgive me, I'm a little nervous, trust me, because I'm just enjoying myself doing this. So I've talked about different kinds of skin, and tough skin is that skin that when you apply something on it, oh my days, before the thing remove, oh God, before now, even if you scrub, you have to scrub it a little harder, or a little more frequently, so that whatever you're using on the skin penetrates. And that is one thing about tough skin. I was told that type of skin before. I didn't believe it until I figured that I have a tough skin. So if you have a tough skin, please leave your comment below. We'll talk about that in the forthcoming videos too. Okay, so I've explained the types of skin. I've explained skincare, what skincare means. I've explained the layers of the skin, and then what you should not do without: cleansing your face and exfoliation. Then, thirdly, use a toner. You need a toner. I can't overemphasize that. So after you cleanse your skin, put your toner on it. Apply a toner with cotton bud. If you need different types of it, because I might not be available to produce that right now. Production is on pause at TK's collection because I'm focusing on upgrade. And once I'm done with that, guys, I am going to come back with a bang. Yeah. A biggie bang. Watch out for my product. So, like I said, use a separate towel for your face. Cleanse, tone, right? Use a tone. Now, when I say toner, that's the problem. Another person told me, in the process of asking for reviews, someone said that, TJ Sunimi or Edisa, can you please tell us the difference between whitening and toning? So yes, I'm going to answer that in one of the sections I'm going to put up, one of the videos I'm going to put up, which is Ask Edisa. So ask me anything, just write your questions, and then I'm just going to come live one of these days, and then we'll talk, and then we'll rub out, or you send them to my mail, or you ask them below, and I'm going to collect the questions and answer you once the questions are full. So yeah, so the fact that you're using a toner doesn't mean you're going to be white. That is what I want to say. The fact that you're using a toner doesn't mean you're supposed to be bleaching, or you're supposed to be lighter than your complexion. No, these are just the basic things, because I talked about pores the other time. Our skins have pores. So combination skin is like, okay, let me start from dry skin. The reason why people have dry skin is because their pores are small, very tiny, right? And the reason why some people have oily skin is because their pores are light, because our skin produces sebum, and sebum is oil, like that oily layer under the skin that comes out from the pores. That's sebum. So that we all have sebum, but our pores determine how the oil comes on top of the layer of the skin. So that is why sometimes some people might have more sebum here. That's why the combination skin display just becomes oily even after applying your makeup. So sorry, there are other ways to deal with that, and I'm going to talk about that in forthcoming videos, right? Normal skin, their pores are not too large, not too small, and that is why the sebum is not so high. So that's why the oil on the skin is not so high compared to like oily skin people and dry skin people. So our pores are very, very important. So going back to cleansing now, if you want to cleanse your skin, cleanse it because you have because we go out every day, we don't know the person we meet, we touch our phones, we go to the toilet, we talk to people, we interact with different people, we don't know the dirt that we've accumulated and that are stuck inside the pores. So you need to cleanse it and then tone it for voluptuous brightness. You know what I'm saying, and that is how you're going to get by the day, and that is what your skin wants, because your skin wants to be pampered. Your skin wants to be pampered. You understand? Whew. Okay. So having said that, you apply your moisturizer, and there are several things, depending on your personality. Me, I like applying my aloe vera after applying my face cream. So you can apply your face cream or moisturizer on top, then you apply aloe vera gel. That is what I use. It doesn't mean you should use it. I apply green tea gel, I apply aloe vera gel. I am going to show you guys. This is what I use for my face after applying my face cream, and it has really worked for me, especially after moving to a different area. And since then, I started noticing pimples on my face, and it was so bad. And I had my face cream, and it was not working. I had this sunburn and everything. This worked well, and this also, let me look for it. Yeah, this also have worked really, really well. This also have worked really, really well for me. So you can get any one of these. They work very well. You can use it at night and then you sleep. So for people that wants to change colors, I am going to answer your question or address that in different sorry for the background noise. For people that want to change colors, and when I say change colors, you want to go from one shade to another. I don't mean that you want to go from ebony to caramel or ebony to light or very light. I'm going to still address that one too, so don't worry. We are here together. You understand? So ask me anything. We are here to interact. I'm not going anywhere. This is Edisa. Edisa is here to give you the best of 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 the best. Like I always say, beauty starts from the mind. So make sure that you are very, very alert in your mind. And when I say that, I'm going to address the issue of the mind in the forthcoming videos. Like first time I uploaded, are you happy? So I'm going to put it below to are you happy, because you have to be happy for your skin to glow. The thing is, for your skin to glow, for your makeup to even be fine on you, regardless of your profession or where you meet yourself, you have to make sure that you are happy, you are fulfilled. Nothing is wrong here. right? So that is why we're going to do inner beauty and outward beauty. So today I'm talking about our skin, our outward beauty, because it is very, very important. It has to be balanced, right? Because there is no how you want to glow truly if something is wrong with your mental health, and that is the truth. And that is where people are missing it. Some people, when they get worried, they look so black, they look so dull. When I say black, I don't mean black is not beautiful. Black is beautiful. I believe so much in black, so I'm not, but they look so like old and wrinkled, and so you have to make sure that your mental health is there. I'm not talking to only ladies, though. I'm talking to men and women, because I have men clients too, right? Yeah. Whew. Good. So I'm going to go over the whole thing again. You cleanse, you cleanse, right? Or you use your towel. Let's start again. After you wash your face, you use your towel, you cleanse, you tone, right? And then use your moisturizer and then aloe vera, and you're good to go for the night or for the day, depending on what you're comfortable with. And then you use your sunscreen. Don't forget to use the sunscreen. I personally don't like the I wouldn't like to. I'm gonna be so real here. I don't like using sunscreen. But sunscreen is good. So get products that have sunscreen in them. SPF, sun protection factor, above, I think 30 now. 30, yeah. I think SPF above 30 is very good. Not, or 15, but 15 is still kind of low. But if you really want an SPF that will work for you, just get above 30. So get it in your makeup products, get them in your skincare products. There are some skincare products that they write them on, like SPF this, and then make sure that you use products that are good for you. So for example, now if you have an oily skin, you shouldn't get an oil-based moisturizer. That's bad. You shouldn't get an oil-based face cream, right? That is one thing. That's one mistake people make. And don't use shea butter on your face. It's wrong. Please, let's stop that thing. Don't use shea butter. It's wrong on your face. Shea butter is oil. It's oily. So anybody, like, if you use it, it's not good on your face. It's oily. Even so some people that have oily skin they use coconut oil on their faces. They use oil-based products on their faces. I do not advise anything oil on your face, except in extremely dry conditions. And we have to still talk about that. I'm a work in progress, and I'm going to do more research and bring solutions to us here. So thank you so much for joining me today on this episode of the Ediso Show. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. I'm sorry. Holy Spirit, have mercy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at 𝐂𝐎𝐒𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐒. And on Facebook, you can check me out, 𝐂𝐎𝐒𝐶𝐂𝐒 too. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. See you next time. I love you guys. Stay beautiful, stay glowing. Beauty starts from the mind. Love you guys. Bye.